Struggling to get the most out of your herbal hair growth oil? What if I told you that just 3 oil-soluble additives could supercharge your hair care routine and help you achieve that thicker, healthier hair? Stay tuned after this short commercial break, and I'm going to give it all the tea. Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. My name is Rose Kelly and thank you for joining the Rose Kelly Organic Skincare channel. In today's video, we are diving into the top 3 oil-soluble additives that can transform your herbal hair growth oil. These powerful ingredients not only boost hair growth but also improve scalp health and extend the shelf life of your formulation. So I want us to get and start right now. So the first one that we are going to talk about is the vitamin E oil. This ingredient is a powerhouse antioxidant that protects your oil blend from oxidation while nourishing your scalp. By boosting circulation and reducing free radicals, vitamin E oil can help stimulate hair growth and fortify hair strands. So guys, this is my number 1 tip of the day or of this video. How do you add the vitamin E to have that effectiveness? How much quantity do you need for a batch or for a gram? Now, you need only 0.5 to 1% of your total formulation. So for example, if you have made 100 gram or 100 batch of your herbal hair growth oil, all you need is 0.5 or 1% of that 100 gram and you are good to go. This small addition not only enhances your oil longevity but also improves its overall efficacy. Do you hear that? Next, we have is squalane oil. Known for its deep hydrating properties, squalane is an excellent ingredient to support a healthy scalp barrier. It helps maintain moisture, making your hair feel smoother and more manageable. Plus, it is a weight in nature. That means that it won't weigh your hair down. So guys, this is the tip that I'm going to give you. How much squalane oil do you need to add to your herbal hair growth oil formulation to boost your hair growth? These are free gifts. These are free knowledge and information. And always I give you that information that is going to help you and help your business. I know there are a lot of business people here, people who are aspiring to become business owners. They want to start their hair growth oil. If you are watching this video right now and you want to start your hair growth oil, I have an ebook already made for you. You need any information you need to start your herbal hair growth oil is in this video, is in this ebook. Grab the copy. The link is below this video. Grab one copy and thank me later. You don't have to stress about getting all this information. They are all in one place. I have done the work for you. Now, this is how much squalane oil you need. You need just 1 to 2% to blend with your formulation. This is going to provide that extra boost of hydration without compromising the texture of your oil. Last but not the least, guys, you don't want to miss this one. Sea button oil. Sea button oil. This ingredient is rich oil. This oil is packed with vitamins, antioxidants, and essential fatty acid that works wonders for our scalp and hair health. Sea button oil helps improve blood flow, reduce inflammation, and support the overall health of your hair follicles, making it an excellent addition to any hair growth promoting formula. So this is one oil you don't want to keep out of your formulation, because this oil here is going to make wonders. It's going to boost. It's going to make your oil, very active when it comes to growing your hair formulation. A typical usage rate is just 2 to 3%. You don't need more than that. Just 2 to 3% of your total formulation, giving you that extra nutrient and also boost without altering the consistency of your oil. So guys, mind you, this sea button oil has this yellowish color naturally. So if you are adding it to your formulation and you don't want to go that high, you can step down to 0.5 to 1%, or you can even try just 0.5 first and see if that is okay for your formulation, if that is not going to stain, or better still, you can let your customers know about this so that they will be aware of not staining their pillowcases or pillows, because it's actually very rich when it comes to color. There you have it, 3 amazing oil soluble additives: vitamin E, squalene, and sea button oil. By incorporating these into your herbal hair growth oil, you can boost its effectiveness, nourish your scalp, and ultimately enjoy a healthier, fuller hair. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe for more natural hair care tips, and leave a comment below with your favorite hair growth ingredient. Thanks for watching, and here we go again. For me to leave you again, I want to remind you I have an ebook that will give you every information that you need to create that powerful, that ingredient, that recipe that you need to start that business or create a product for yourself. You don't want to buy all these chemicals, oils in the market, and you want to create for yourself. I have the recipe, 2 different recipes in my ebook, and every information you need, vendor list, and all that good stuff, the ratios of infusion of herbs and the oil types, every information you need to start this is in that ebook. Go and grab one right now and thank me later. Bye bye, and I'll see you in my next video.